Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sheikh Imran and I am a science teacher at Al-Falah English Medium School. And today I am with my students from class 7 and we are going to perform an experiment. But at first, let's discuss some point which I have taught to my students. So students, we have learned about acid, bases and salt, right? Yes. So can you tell me what are how can we detect if a substance is acid or base?
We can use indicator to test if a substance acid or base.
Yes, absolutely right. We can use an indicator to detect if a substance is acid or base. Now, can you tell me what is indicator?
An indicator is a dye that change color. It is when put it is put an acid or base.
Yes, absolutely right. An indicator is a dye that changes its color when it is put into an acid or base. Now, can you tell me how many types of indicators are there?
There are two types of indicator.
Yes, there are two types of indicator. Can you tell me what are those two types?
There are two types of indicator: natural indicator and synthetic indicator.
Yes, there are two types of indicators, natural and synthetic indicator. Now, the last question, can you tell me what are the names of natural and synthetic indicators?
Litmus, China rose, and turmeric are according natural indicators, and while phenolphthalein is a scientific indicator.
Yes, China rose, litmus, turmeric are naturally occurring indicators while phenolphthalein is an synthetic indicator. So our today's experiment is also related one of these indicators and we are going to perform an experiment related to the China rose indicator, and by using China rose indicator we are going to detect if a substance is acid or base. So to perform this experiment we have already prepared China rose indicator. We have two test tubes that contain China rose indicator in it, and we can say that channel is an indicator that changes its color and tells us whether a substance is acid or base. And we have two substances, one of which is acid and one of them is base. Let's see which is acid and which is base. We have two substances, a solution of citric acid solution and another solution is sodium hydroxide solution. Let's add a solution into the test tube of China rose indicator. Let's see what will happen. The property of the China rose indicator is that when acid added to China rose indicator, it turns its color to pink. As you can see, the solution in the test tube turned its color to the pink color, and we can say that the given solution which we have just added into the test tube was acidic. Let's see another solution. What is the another solution, acid or base? Let's add some drops of another solution into the test tube. Let's see what will happen. If the given solution changes its color to green, that means the solution was basic. So as you can see, the color of the solution changed to green. That means the given solution was basic. So the solution which we have just added into the test tube was sodium hydroxide solution, and by performing this experiment we can say that sodium hydroxide is an basic, and the previous solution which we have added to this test tube was citric acid. So citric acid is an acid, we can say that. By performing this type of experiment we can identify if a substance is acid or base. Thank you.